Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling camera redirection on both ends. On the remote Windows machine, open Group Policy or the host RDP settings and allow video capture redirection. On your local PC, use the newest remote desktop client. Older clients lack support. Then, in the client, expand local resources, choose more and check cameras, or connect using command flags that redirect devices. Once done, establish the session. You'll be feeding the local camera device into the remote environment for applications to use. Once the session is active, verify the camera appears inside the remote OS. Open Device Manager or the camera app to confirm the device is listed. If it's absent, install or update drivers in the remote session. Use the same driver family as your local device when possible. Next, go to Privacy and Camera Settings and set the redirected camera as default for apps. This ensures video conferencing or recording apps detect the correct device and prevents fallback to virtual or disabled cameras. You finish by testing in a real app, open camera, or join a quick Zoom call, and check video, resolution, and microphone routing. If performance is poor, reduce resolution or bitrate, and disable GPU acceleration to lower CPU/GPU load. If the camera doesn't appear, reconnect the RDP session, update both client and host remote desktop components, and reboot the host if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: enable USB device redirection in the host settings. That often restores camera access when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.